It's really tiny. Well, it's definitely a sample size. So it's officially my favorite time of year when Sephora drops their advent calendar and all of their holiday gift sets. If you saw my Sephora Advent Calendar unboxing last year, you'll know that I was super disappointed in it. I look forward to this every year though, so I have high hopes for the 2025 Advent Calendar and I cannot wait to open this today. So this Sephora Advent Calendar, it's $127. You get 21 mini products and 4 full-size products. And it says it has a Canadian value of $372. That seems like a very high product value, so let's find out if it's actually worth it. And I actually didn't peek to see what's inside of here ahead of time because I really want to be surprised. Ta-da! Cute! That looks really cute. I don't know what it is about advent calendars, but honestly, they are so much fun. Starting off with door number 1, it looks like it's from NARS. Okay, so this is the NARS Afterglow Sensual Shine Lipstick in the shade Wild Ride. This is apparently a mini. It's actually a really nice size. Okay. I like that. I think that's such a good size for a mini. Let's swatch the color. Ooh, okay, that's definitely very shiny. I've not tried this from NARS before. That's a really pretty color and I like the feel of this formula. I'm excited to try this. I think that's a good start. All right, door number 2, Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think I already know what this is. Almost broke a nail getting that out. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I've actually used this before. It's a nice brow gel. I would probably never buy it full price, but I like it. Forgot how hard it is to get these things out of the advent calendar. I have to use a pen. Okay, moving on to door number 3. Ooh, okay, Amika. You know, I think they put this like in their advent calendar every year. It's the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask, hair mask. Although they do repeat this, I do like getting this hair mask. I would never buy this full size, so it's kind of fun getting a mini trial size of it. Okay, moving on to door number 4. Ooh, this looks like a new product this year. Okay, Tartelette Tubing Mascara, and it's definitely a mini size. Never tried it before, and I like trying new products, so that's kind of cute. It's definitely a mini size. Okay, moving on to door number 5, if I can ever get these open. Oh, this looks good. I love Tower 28. This looks nice. I don't have this shade either. This is the Tower 28 Shine On Lip Jelly in XOXO. It's like a clear jelly, but I love these Tower 28 lip jellies. I'm actually wearing one right now and they are so comfortable. And I think that this is a full-size product. Yes, this is a full-size product. I'm super excited about that. That's a really good one. All right, moving on to door number 6. Oh, Merit Beauty. I don't think they had this in here last time either. Is it a perfume? What is this? It says Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. Okay, I didn't know Merit Beauty had skincare. It doesn't look like a serum. Okay, yeah, it's like a serum. Okay, I'm excited that they're putting things in here that are different than last year because there's nothing worse than getting the same products year after year. All right, day number 7. I think I spoke too soon. Actually, don't know if they put this in the advent calendar last year, but I definitely got a few bottles of this from some sort of Sephora kit. This is the Way Leave-In Conditioner. I have super fine hair, so I don't use leave-in conditioner because I'll just look like a wet rat, but my sister likes it, so this will be going in her stocking. Okay, door number 8. Oh, wow. They put Rare Beauty, her new perfume in here? Is that what this is? It is. It's the Rare Eau de Parfum. That is so cool. I want to smell this. I didn't even know if they had it in Canada yet. And it is like the cutest little bottle. I would say it's more of like a deluxe size more than just a mini size. Oh, cute. It is even a little roller ball. Wow, that smells really good. Okay, I actually really, really like that. What a fun little surprise. I just love the size of this. I love that it's a little roll-on. How cute. That is so good. Okay, I'm really happy with that. Door number 9. I hope there's some more good ones like that in here. All right, Peter Thomas Roth. Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. There's always a few of these little moisturizer samples in here. I think these are great for travel. It's nothing too exciting or new to me, but I'll use this. Okay, number 10. It's a big one. Morphe. Oh, that's kind of cool. Again, this is supposed to be a mini size, but it is a nice little size. This is the Morphe Mini Continuous Setting Spray. I actually really like this setting spray. I think it's totally underrated. And that's new this year because they didn't have that last year. Okay, day number 11. Oh, cool. Laura Mercier. Rose Gold Caviar Stick Eye Color. I've never tried Laura Mercier's eyeshadow sticks. I like these, and this is a really wearable shade. I know that I'm just gonna love this. Huh. I was gonna say, and it looks like a nice size for a mini, but that's as far as it scrolls up, so I'm not sure about that. That's too bad. I was like, this could have been really good, but I guess it is a mini. Oh well, at least it's something fun that I think I would wear. Okay, day 12. Say Beauty, one of my favorites. So this is their glowy super gel in Star Glow. Their illuminator. These are really pretty. I love these. I also think this is a really nice size for a mini. I don't know if they put this in last year, but they've definitely put these in some of the little sets in the past because I have a few of these, but I do use this product and I like it. Okay, day 13. Oh, Makeup Forever. I like that. So it's the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Color Pencil in graphite. I think it is in black. Oh, that looks nice. I just know that's gonna be the blackest black. I'm excited to try that because Makeup Forever products are iconic. They're always so good. I really like this. Moving on to day 14. Wow, another Rare Beauty product. I love that they're putting that in this year. So this is the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort Hydrating Body Lotion. Nice. I haven't tried this either. They definitely put more of their body care products in the Advent Calendar this year. I'm excited to try this. This is a really tiny little size, 8 milliliters, so definitely a sample size, but I'm excited to try this because I haven't tried it before. Okay, day 15. Okay, Glow Recipe. So their Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Q Drops. So this is their tinted version of their Glow Drops. I actually just prefer the original. Again, it's a very tiny little sample. It's 5 milliliters. It seems very small. Okay, day 16. Cute. Huda Beauty. This is so adorable. Look at how little this is. I don't even know what it is. Oh, it's their liquid blush. Blush filter liquid blush in Black Cherry. That is so cute. Definitely a sample size, but I don't know. I think that's adorable. I feel like I love that for traveling. And I've never tried this before. That's really cute. Definitely fun. Okay, day 17. Oh, the Olaplex Bonding Oil. I like this. This is definitely a travel size. I actually think they put this in the calendar last year. I'm almost sure of it. Definitely they put that in last year, but I do like this oil, so I will use that. Okay, day 18. We're flying through this thing. Oh, cool. Gucci. Must be a what is it? Oh, it's a mascara. Gucci mascara? I never heard of it. It just says eye black. Okay, let me check. Oh yeah, it says the Gucci L'Obscure Lengthening Mascara in Eve Black. Okay. Okay, Gucci. Little Gucci mascara. I mean, I guess it's fun to try, but I would never buy that full size. Day 19. It's a decent size little square. Oh, I really like velour eyelashes. So these are their effortless lashes. They look really nice. I love velour lashes. I wear them a lot. These look very wearable. So they are in the Would I Lie style. Okay, I love that. These are expensive, so that's a really nice one. This must be another one of our full-size products. That is our second full-size product. Okay, going on to day 20. I think we still have 2 more full sizes, so we're running out of days. This one looks decent size too. Oh, I think people will like this one. The Sol de Janeiro number 66. 66. I don't know where that came from. The Sol de Janeiro 68, number 68, the pink one. This is a mini size. This is a really nice size for a mini, 30 milliliters. I would call this definitely a deluxe size, so that is a really good one. I already have this, but that is a really nice mini size to include. And a product I think a lot of people will like. Okay, day 21. Wow. This is like the smallest product I've ever seen. So it's really tiny. Look at how small it is. It's the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Plumping Lip Oil in the shade Buffed Rose. Well, it's definitely a sample size. It's so small that it doesn't even have the size on here. Let me check. 0.5 milliliters. Very tiny. Definitely a sample. That one is one of those things that you get free when you order online at Sephora. So that one I feel like was definitely a miss. Well, let's move on. Okay, day 22. Wow, we're almost there. This I think must be a full size. MAC Makeup. So this is the Sleek Satin Lipstick in the shade Cream in Your Coffee. Let's see. Actually, I don't think it's full size. It looks like a mini. Pretty. I think I'll really like this shade. I'm not gonna lie, I am starting to get deja vu from last year of being a little bit disappointed in some of the sizes of these things, but let's just finish the calendar off and then I'll give you my final thoughts. With that being said, I think we're on day 23 and it just happens to be like the largest size day. So maybe it's gonna be something good. Oh, it's a mask, face mask of some sort. Okay. Dr. Jart Vital Hydro Solution Pro Mask. This is actually a really nice mask. So this is definitely a full-size item. Really nice mask. And they are normally like decently priced too. So I like that they included this. This is a really nice mask. And who doesn't like a good face mask? Yes, so this is also one of our full-size products. So I think we've gotten 3 of our full size now. Okay, 2 days left. Hope they saved the best for last. Day 24. Okay. The Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray in a trial size. I actually love this setting spray. This isn't too bad for a mini size. I mean, it doesn't compare to the Morphe, but I like this setting spray a lot, and this is perfect for traveling. So I do like getting the setting sprays, but we only have 1 day left. Let's see what it is. Day 25. Okay, it is our last full-size product, and it's from Milk Makeup. Milk Makeup Cooling Water Jelly Tin, and this is in shade Fresh. Jelly Tin. I mean, I don't mind this product. I feel like it's a summer product, so for their holiday calendar, I kind of wish this wasn't the day 25 product, but I like Milk Makeup. I think this was definitely trendy for a while, so I think people might like it. I personally would have preferred something different, but that's okay. And that, my friends, is the end of our advent calendar. Another year has gone by. Final thoughts. Well, going into this, I think I was a little bit more optimistic than I should have been based off of how last year went. I was getting a little bit of deja vu there, being like, yeah, a lot of these are really small and only 4 full-size products. One thing about the Sephora Advent Calendars is they are a lot of fun. If you like opening Advent Calendars, you like trying different brands, if you like getting the mini-size products, you can discover new brands. It's super exciting and fun for that. My overall verdict, do I think the Sephora Advent Calendar is worth it? Probably not. I want to know though, if you think it was worth it, let me know. I would love to hear what you think of it. Another reason I would say skip the advent calendar is some of the Sephora holiday gift sets they have this year look really, really good. I actually have 3 of them already. I haven't opened them yet. I have the Sephora Glitz and Glam, the Sephora Favorites Holiday Faves, and their holiday lip kit, which I love every year. So I'm going to be doing a review of these next. If you want to see any of these, make sure you subscribe. I'll be putting these up next. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching.